lone Grevy's zebra. He's been waiting months for visitors. Female visitors. It's his first chance to mate for a very long time. The females were being followed, a posse of young males, everyone a rival. It's time to separate the men from the boys. One by one, the stallion sees them off. The females had ringside seats. Machismo gives way to tenderness. Female Grevies are a fickle bunch. The herd have decided to move on. All of them. The stallion may never see them again, but there's a chance that one is now carrying his foal.